Welcome to working with InDesign and ePub. Just in this little example, we're just going to produce a digital portfolio, basically when you're putting together your conceptual, your ideas. So I've got a PDF file here, just going to open this up. PDF file that can actually be viewed in full screen as well. So if you just want to go to full screen, Command L, and just click on that, and full screen mode. This is a good way to work landscape as well. Just produce your conceptual, and you've also got a great presentation at the end of the project when you're selling your idea from the research through. So just a basic template to work with. So just got my cover, just got some research stage. There might be several pages, of course. It's just a really simple example. Design what you want to set things up. Going into ideation, again, number of pages, different sizes. This is just a template. Into concepts, you want really at least 3 to go down the track of that you're happy with your initial concepts, taking you into sort of more of a refinement, and then probably the final design before you really take it through into the finished format, selling the concept side of things. So that's basically just the pages here. I'm just going to hit the escape key, and I'm just going to just close that. Now, what I've also done, because you can just export whatever material you're putting in InDesign to PDF, which works great. Of course, you've got the ePub now, and of course the fixed layout, which gives you some added benefits. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to open up this fixed layout file. Now, you will notice that have got a video file over here as well. You can put videos directly into PDFs. But what you might want to do is if you're working on or viewing on an iPad, or it's online to be downloaded, and you want a video in there for whatever reason to show some work in progress, which can be great and take you beyond just the printed document, you can do that with ePub. So I'm just going to open this up, and this will work great on essentially an iPad. Now you'll notice I've also got some animation here, so you can actually add little things like that as well. Obviously you want to do it sparingly. Now I've just used an A4 landscape page here, but it's probably great if you are designing for an iPad to design for that size, be it a larger iPad Pro or other device that gets wider, but essentially it will still work fine anyway. You can go up and view full screen just down here, and I'll just go and click on that, and basically now it's just a full screen version at the moment. Now up the top here you can get just a menu system, and as it's still loading up, you can just click on any pages like what we did before, or up the side, so you can turn this on or off at any stage. Or just down here, you should just get a little arrow that just appears, and I'll just start this off. I'll push my right arrow, but you'll see you get these arrows this way to go backwards and forwards. So if I click back, there's that animation that plays again. Of course, I can turn these off at any stage, as I mentioned just here. So I'll just do that at the moment. There's only 8 pages in this particular document. So we go through the same way, and it's just basically an ePub rather than the PDF. But of course, the big advantage here, I've just added another page. I've got a video. It can have sound or not. There's no sound on this video, but you can actually bring in a video and play it, and that's going to work nicely on your iPad. So you have the animation, you can have videos that will work on those devices. Now, as I mentioned, PDFs work great on the iPad. You can add a little of interaction, but not too much, so you do get more scope with the fixed layout ePub for maybe doing a slightly stronger presentation. I'm just going to hit the escape key, and I'm just going to close that, and just close that. So I've got a few versions here, but anyway, not to worry, I'm just going to close that. I just want to show you just how you put this together. So that was just a quick introduction movie. The next movie, that's going to be movie 2, working with Design Workbook folder, and you can just see how we put that together quickly in InDesign. What we're also going to do is we're going to even put it online. So I'll show you that very quickly in the next video as well.